One of the questions that I have been getting this period is what can I use to keep my hair from drying, and I'll be answering that in this video. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Favor, and today I am super excited to share with you my top 4 natural detanglers that will keep your hair soft, moisturized and manageable, especially during this dry season. If you're tired of dealing with knots, tangles and dryness, then keep watching because these remedies will save your hair. First up, we have flaxseed gel. So this one is one of my absolute favorites because it is loaded with omega-3 fatty acid that nourishes the hair and gives it that much needed moisture. Plus, the gel provides sleep, making it super easy to detangle your dry matted hair. Now, how do we prepare this? It's very simple. So I'm going to be adding just 1 spoon in my clean pot, and then I'm going to pour water according to my own discretion. Now, the quantity of water you pour to yours will depend on how thick you want your gel to come out. What I was looking for is something not too thick, okay? So then I'll put it on my stove and I'll start cooking it. Please guys, this thing has a habit of floating over once it starts boiling, so you have to stay by your pot and stir consistently, okay? And how will you know that it is ready? When it forms like this, or when you touch it and you feel the sliminess, oh god, and it feels slimy, okay? That is when you will know that it is ready. Now I'm going to strain it while it is hot. This part is also very important for the consistency of gel that I was going for. If you want a thick gel, please let it cool down before you strain it, but then you will have to use like a panty hose to strain it, okay? Now I'm going to transfer that to my applicator bottle ready for use. I will demonstrate how to use the 4 detangler at once towards the end of this video, so please keep on watching, okay? For now, let me show you how I prepare all of my detanglers before we move on to the application, okay? So next we have okra gel. If you haven't tried okra for your hair, I don't know what you're waiting for. You're missing out. This vegetable is rich in mucilage, which makes it an excellent natural detangler and conditioner. Guys, when I discovered okra gel, it became one of my absolute best. I don't know how many times I'm going to say absolute best, but I just wanted to give it a try. So again, preparing it is so easy. I went ahead to slice my okra gel the way that I want. You can choose to slice it tinier than this, but this is how I sliced mine. And then I'm going to put it on my pot and place it on fire to boil for 5 to 10 minutes. You just want it to boil. As soon as the gel consistency start coming out, then it is ready. Also, you have to stay by your okra and just stir so that it doesn't float over. Now once the jelly consistency comes out, then my okra gel is ready. I'm going to strain it, and the okra itself, I'm going to pour it in my plate. In another video, I'm going to show you what I did with the leftovers from all the detanglers I made in this video, okay? Just stay tuned for that video. All right, and this is what my okra gel is looking like. I left it to cool down a little bit, and then I'm going to pour it into my applicator bottle. Next up is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is a powerhouse when it comes to hydration. This natural gel is perfect for dry hair because it helps to lock in moisture while soothing the scalp as well. So if you have any scalp related issues, aloe vera can also cure that for you. Now, how to extract this gel is very simple. You can do that with a blender, but most times I choose to do mine with hand, right, using my fork. I have gone ahead to extract my gel. I have a full detailed video on how I do this on my channel. Maybe I'll link it up here, okay? So now I'm going to allow the gel to drip. The gel, look at that jelly consistency. It almost looks like okra too. Then I'll pour the gel in my applicator bottle as well. I thought that I wasn't able to get my gel complete, so I went ahead with a panty hose to try to strain the remaining ones, but the one that came out was not much at all. So no. Now let's talk about fenugreek seed gel. Guys, I didn't know that I can get a gel from fenugreek seed. This one is a first for me, so we'll be exploring it together. Now to get the gel, you're going to soak the gel. You're going to soak your fenugreek overnight as usual, just the normal way to get the water. So you're going to soak the gel, the seed overnight, and by morning it would have doubled in size, and that is when you know that it is ready. So I thought that the water would be too much. That was why I reduced the water a little bit, but you'll see me pour it back into the bottle to, you know, get all my fenugreek seed from there. Okay, so now this is what my fenugreek seed is looking like. Look at how swollen it is. Now here is how to get the gel. You get the gel by rubbing the fenugreek seed between your palms, guys. My excitement when I find out how easy it is to get fenugreek seed gel from this, like, so anyway guys, keep rubbing it between your palms. The more you rub it, the thicker the gel becomes. So I'm going to rub until my palm is tired. Literally, then I'm going to strain it with my panty hose. The reason why I'm going to use my panty hose is so that I'll be able to squeeze it very well. All right, so I'll be able to squeeze out the gel, everything out. Okay, so yeah, this is what the gel is looking like after my palm got literally tired. I'm going to then strain it with my panty hose, like I said earlier. I feel like another way that you can do this is to use your immersion blender to like post blend this. I've never tried that, but the idea just came to me now, so I will try that next time that I want to, you know, make a fenugreek seed gel. I'm going to try using my immersion blender to post blend and see if it's going to give me the same results. So why fenugreek, right? Fenugreek is amazing actually because it is packed with mucilage that gives it a slippery texture, perfect for detangling, and plus it helps to strengthen your hair from the root, reducing breakage. So now this is what my gel is looking like, guys. Did you see that as I press it as I squeeze with my panty hose, I was able to get more gel out? And now this is the chaff. Remember what I told you, that I'm going to pour all the leftover from these moisturizers, and I'll use it in another video. So here, this is the gel. Look at how thick it is. I'm going to now pour it in my applicator bottle. How simple is that? So these are all my gels. I'm going to add oil in all of them except the flaxseed gel because the container that I poured it in already contains oil. Okay, so the oil that I'm pouring in my gels is sunflower oil. You can choose to use any oil of your choice. The reason why I am pouring oil to it is just so that it will not give me that crunchy feeling, you know, like dry potato. All right, yeah, so yeah, my gel is ready, and quickly we'll move on to application. So for clarity, this is my okra, this is the aloe vera, and then this is the flaxseed, and last but not the least, the fenugreek. So guys, if you made it to this point, you are an angel. Thank you so much. And here is the fun part. Now here is what my hair is going to be looking like. I already sectioned my hair in 4 parts. Each part is for each moisturizer. Okay, and here, this is the okra, and here is the fenugreek, and here we have the aloe vera, and we have the flaxseed gel. Okay, and then I'm going to be using water to dampen my hair, some combs to comb my hair, and some clips to help me make this application easy. Okay, so yeah, I want to cover your body because these things, this slime was just falling all over the place, especially the okra part. So I'm going to start with one section, and I am not going to demonstrate the entire section. I'll just demonstrate like 1 or 2 to show you what it looks like. First, we're starting with fenugreek gel. Okay, fenugreek seed gel, and I decided to apply it without water, without damping my hair first, because like I told you guys, this one is a first for me. So I wanted to see how my hair reacts to it without the help of water. And so far I am impressed, guys. I mean, hey God, look at that. Look at how easy my hair was just detangling. Look at how easy it is to detangle my hair with this flaxseed with this fenugreek seed gel. Guys, I think you should give this a try. So I've successfully given you 4 DIY moisturizers that you can use in this holiday season. To keep your hair moisturized and tangle free. Okay, so keep watching. I'm going to show you the rest of the 4 ingredients, the rest of the 4 moisturizers. Then it is left for you to choose which one you prefer, which one you want to try first. I will encourage you to try the 4 and make your choice after you've seen the one that your hair prefer. Okay, I know that I added oil in the gel, but I'm still going to use oil to seal my hair after putting this gel on my hair, because I'm using this gel as a moisturizer and it is best to seal your hair once you are done moisturizing your hair. Okay guys, if you don't coat your hair with oil afterwards, your hair is going to feel dry. You can try it and let me know. All right, your hair is going to feel dry if you don't coat it with oil or pomade, wherever. Okay, so this second part, I'm going to be trying the Okra gel. I tried it using 2 sections. The first section I dampened it with water. The second section I'm not going to dampen it with water, so that you will see whether you want to try it with water or not. And then I'll also tell you later on which one I prefer, the one with water or the one without water. But guys, once I applied this gel, the gel just slipped off my hand. That is how slippery this Okra gel was. Okay, so can you see the coils that this gel is giving to my hair? It's like I'm changing my mind now. Okra might be my absolute favorite. However, I love all the gels. Like, it is definitely worth trying. So guys, if you're still watching till now and you've not given me a thumbs up, please give me a thumbs up. Okay, it helps YouTube to push this video further, so that more people who are struggling with dry hair this season will get to see it, and you might be helping 1 or 2 persons. Thank you very much. So this is the second section, and I'm going to just apply the Okra gel direct without dampening my hair, and let's see what happens. See what I mean? Once you apply the gel, it will just slip right off if you're not careful. So after applying the Okra first on a damp hair and then without damping my hair, I think I prefer the one where I dampen my hair, because then it helps the Okra gel to soak in faster than before. Okay, so yeah, this is like my preference, but then you can choose to dampen your hair first or not. The option is totally yours. This is what the Okra gel and the Fenugreek gel is looking like now. So I'm going to go ahead and then apply the flaxseed gel on the third part. This third part, I'm going to be applying the flaxseed gel, and as usual, I'm going to go ahead with my water to dampen it first, and then once my hair is damp enough, I'm going to apply the flaxseed gel to my damp hair. When I tell you guys that flaxseed is my absolute best, I am not joking. Like, can you see how it is defining my coils without even doing much? So the last but not the least is the aloe vera gel. So guys, in this video I've successfully shown you 4 easy detangler that you can try at home to help keep your hair moisturized, hydrated, and even help to strengthen your hair this winter season. So no more should you deal with dry hair this winter, and no more should you deal with tangled hair. I hope that you find this video helpful. If you do, guys, please let me know in the comment section. I will come back and show you what my hair looks like when I am done applying the gels to my entire hair. So stay tuned. So guys, I am done applying all the 4 moisturizers on my hair, and this is what my hair looks like. This first side is the Fenugreek gel, and then this third back side is the Flaxseed gel. Here is the Okra gel, and then here is the... So this is on my hair. See you guys in my next one. Take care of yourself.